look at the second question. Find the shortest distance between the two towns x 0 degrees south, 20 degrees west, and y 0 degrees south, 20 degrees east. Now let's come back to the globe. So 0 degrees south is just on the latitude, and then 20 west, 20 degrees west. So this is my 20 degrees west. So the first point is here, the town X. This is town X. And then town Y is also 0 degrees south, 10 degrees east. 10 degrees east. This is 10 degrees east. So that is also going to be this portion. 10 degrees. So 0 degrees. So this is Y, town Y. Town Y. And this is also an arc. So we have our radius. We have the radius, which is big R, equals 6,400 kilometers. And also, we know our length is equal to 2 pi r theta over 360 degrees. And also, we have our theta, which is going to be, please can you guess? Can you guess? Let me pause and guess what our theta is going to be. Okay. Okay, so I hope your guess is right. Since these are different, east, west, we are going to add the two angles. So that is going to be 20 plus 10, and which is 30 degrees. So now our length or the distance between these two towns, that is going to be 2 times, since pi was not given, we may use 22 over 7. So 22 over 7 times 6,400 times 30 all over 360 degrees. And this on the calculator is going to give us 3,351 kilometers. So that is the distance between the two towns X and Y is 33,501 kilometers. So that is that. Now we also to look at the distance through the Earth's crust. The distance through the Earth's crust. So let me have this circle drawn. So let's assume this is the globe. Now let's say town X is here and town Y is also here. So since this is not passing through the center, we call this the chord. The chord. Now let's assume this is our center, and then this is the radius of the circle. So we need this. When you're able to get the length of, let's say, from this point to this point, we multiply it by 2 and then get the distance through the X between these two towns. So the angle given, the theta, which is 30 degrees, is just this one, the 30 degrees. But since we need only half here, we're only going to concentrate on this one, which is 15 degrees. So let me redraw this to be this one, and this is 15 degrees, and radius, this is Z, and then Y. So this is forming right angle triangle. So we need this distance. Let me call this side small x, or let's say A, not to confuse with this x, so A. So now this is opposites, then this is hypotenuse. So that is going to be sine. So sine 15 is equal to R A opposite, which is A over hypotenuse R, and sine 15 becomes A, that is what we don't know, over R is 6,400. So A becomes 6,400 sine 15. So this on the calculator will be A, which is equal to 6,400 sine 15 on the calculator, gives 1,656.44188. So you can round this to 4 decimal places, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. And because of this, we are going to change this also to 9. Okay, so we can clean the question to have more space. We can clean this and then to have more space. So our length x, y, which is equal to the length x, z plus the length z, y, and we know length x, y, which is the same as A, to be 1,600. So that's just going to be length x, y becomes 2 times of z, y, or 2 times of z, x, z. So that is going to be 2 times 1656.4419. 13 kilometers. Maybe you have to later 312, depending on how many decimal places you have.